Hello everybody, how are you? Welcome back to another video from your favorite channel. Although we're witnessing a historical era of technological advancement, the world is still in trouble. Natural resources are depleting, and consequently, inflation is at an all-time high. Every penny is precious at this point, but few people understand what's important in life. Earning and spending simultaneously is great, but only some people know how great is economic maintenance. Here are 5 ways to save money and reach your financial goals. Get ready, because we've got some great things to tell you. Now let's get into the video. Number 5. Pay your bills at the end. One of the biggest reasons why people are unable to save some money for themselves is because they've put themselves behind everybody. A person does not earn just to provide for himself. In today's world, every person has to think about paying off bills and debts before doing something for themselves. Because of such a mindset, they're forced to spend all of the money they make. Therefore, you should always set up a saving fund for yourself. With setting aside a substantial amount that suits your desires, you can then have enough money to clear those remaining payments. Your money shouldn't have to go through other people first before you have a chance to do something with it. The goal is to make yourself rich first and not other people, so there's no need to rush into making those payments. Save some money for your long-term plans and then use your remaining funds to keep your life running. You'll also find managing finances with this method more sustainable. Number 4. Stop doing expensive things in peer pressure. Friends are an important part of our life, but sometimes they can be the reason for our miseries. We're not talking about personal issues, but it's more related to financial situations. There are plenty of ways that your friends are keeping you poor, and the reason you're still there is peer pressure. If your company is concerned about dining in fancy restaurants and things way above your pay, then it's time to create some changes in life. They might be great helpers in your personal life, but when it comes to hanging out with them when your financial status is clearly not that good, you should be brave enough to tell them about it. Saying that you don't have the means to go out with them on expensive shopping sprees and dinners because of no money should never be a problem for them. Good friends will understand your situation and work out a solution together. If they mock you for making excuses or being in such a state, it's time to find some new friends. Number 3. Manage your finances. Having bad finances can also be a big reason behind your financial trouble. For example, if one keeps using credit cards, they won't have an idea about how much they're spending. Credit cards are a hefty business if one spends without thinking, and that's part of the reason why some people are submerged in debt. Unpaid student loans and other finances are also a part of mismanagement. It's important to keep track of all such activities and do them punctually. There are plenty of ways to learn and develop habits of keeping a healthy record of your expenditure and earning. For example, there are numerous apps available that allow you to help make your payments duly and even save up money for the future. If you're not interested in using such apps, you can even use a spreadsheet to track all such activities related to your money. Number 2. Put a limit on your credit card. While they may be a blessing for some people, credit cards might just be the root of all evils for people with bad financial status. Their rewarding system is one of the major reasons why people decide to buy unnecessary things and do way more than they need to. Just for the sake of some free miles or points, people are willing to spend more than what they earn. Therefore, using credit cards only when you're able to pay for the items in cash is the best way to control your expenditure on these things. Shopping sprees can get extremely big if you wish to earn miles, and that's what pushes people towards trouble. So if you want to save money for a happier life, take control of what you spend with your credit cards. Number 1. Start investing. It's so simple. You need to put your money to make more of it. Investing even a small sum of money can be extremely beneficial for your future. It might be your extra life when things get out of hand. Some people also start investing while doing jobs just to make more than enough money for themselves. It's one of the best ways to increase your wealth. However, some might wait for the right time. Economies are not in a good position. Nobody knows if the prices will go up or down. Inflation can hit at any time, so putting your money somewhere potentially advantageous can be a good backup plan. There's no need to wait for the perfect moment, as the right time is now. That's all we have for you today. Thank you for watching, and please like the video. Tell us your thoughts in the comments section. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications to remain updated about our latest uploads. We'll be back with another video next time, so keep watching. Goodbye, and take care.